Okay, Kara, get your present.
One.
Don't touch fire, okay?
Two.
Yeah.
Two.
Go get a present. Which one do you want to open first? Okay, get it. Okay, get it.
Oh, that hurts?
Yes. Okay, sit right there. Right there. Right there. Sit down. Oh, you want to sit right there? Okay. Daddy help you?
Yes.
Okay. So put your hand right here, Sally. Now open. Rip. There you go. Whoa.
Ooh, what is it? Who's that from?
This is from...
That's from Cousin Jer?
Jer. What is it? The opening. Ooh. What is it? Keep opening.
Wow!
Yeah.
What is that? Show me. Let me
Show
see.
Mama.
What?
What is that?
Me!
Ooh, Princess
Okay.
CD.
Yay.
Say thank you. Ooh, dancing.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to get another one?
Next one. Next one. It's all done. Okay, girl.
Kara, why don't you get that one? That one. That one right there from Daddy.
Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, the one above.
This one. That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's from Daddy.
Oh.
Daddy, just go.
Okay. Sit here. I help you.
That's for you from Daddy.
Daddy,
Daddy gives it to you.
What's
Okay.
this?
What is it?
What's
So we open this. Pull.
Oh.
Pull. Whoa.
What is it?
What is it? Okay, hold Daddy. There you go. Whoa, what is it? What is it? What is this? There you go.
There it is.
What's it? What's that?
Dora. It's a... Huh? Asada? No, that's Dora.
Dora.
That's backpack for you.
Ooh, yeah, Daddy help you.
That's not how you would.
Yo, here, Daddy help you. Okay, you ready? Hand through the hole. Hand through the other hole. Yeah, go look in the mirror. Go. Stand up. Wow.
You go school?
School, huh?
What do you say to Daddy? Kara, what do you say to Daddy?
Yeah.
Kara, what do you say to Daddy? What do you say to Daddy?
Yeah, Matt.
Math? What do you say to Daddy?
Kiss.
Give Daddy a kiss.
Kiss.
Yeah.
You happy now?
That's it, she's happy.
You still want to open your presents? Yeah? Okay. What next? Okay, let me find one for you. Oh.
Take off.
This one?
Yeah, this is from Asada. This from Alyssa, okay? Yeah, okay, bring it to Daddy. Daddy help you open.
Oh, heavy. Heavy, huh? Okay. Ready? Okay, open from right here. There you go. What is it? What is it? Oh, what is it? Oh, what's this? Oh.
What is it, Kara?
There you go.
What is that? My Little Pony?
That's for me.
Yeah.
Thank you to Tara.
Thank you. Thank you. Want to open?
Okay, you want to open another present?
No, we
No.
open this.
Oh, you want to open that? Oh, okay. Give me the receipt.
Oh.